For the first budget of Modi Sarkar 2.0, presented by Nirmala Sitharaman in the parliament today, here are the 10 key takeaways for the MSME sector. Number 10. Businesses with an annual turnover of more than Rs 50 crore has to offer low-cost digital modes of payment. No MDR charges will be imposed on customers and the merchants. Number 9. Under the scheme for upgradation and regeneration of traditional industries, 100 new clusters will be set up during 2019-20. About 50,000 artisans to join the economic value chain. The program will be focusing on bamboo, honey, and the khadi clusters. Number 8. To ease the liquidity crisis in the NBFC sector, the government has said fundamentally sound ones should continue to get funding from banks and mutual funds without being duly risk-averse. For the purchase of high-rated pooled assets of financially sound NBFCs amounting to a total of Rs 1 lakh crore during the current financial year, the government will provide one-time 6-month partial credit guarantee to the public sector banks for the first loss of up to 10%. Number 7. More than Rs 3.75 lakh crore is blocked in litigations in service tax and excise tax. This is the tax regime pre-GST. The budget proposes a dispute resolution cum amnesty scheme called the Sabka Vishwas Legacy Dispute Resolution Scheme 2019 that will allow quick closure of these litigations. The relief under the schemes vary from 40% to 70% of tax dues from place to place basis. Number 6. Skill development, which is a key pillar of this government, that is going to see some changes. So new age skills like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, big data, 3D printing, virtual reality, and robotics will be some of the things that will be taught under this new skilling program. Number 5. The government of India has decided to extend the pension benefit to about 3 crore retail traders and small shopkeepers whose annual turnover is less than Rs 1.5 crore under a new scheme called the Pradhan Mantri Karam Yogi Mandhan scheme. Enrollment into the scheme will be kept very simple, requiring only an Aadhaar and a bank account, and the rest will be on self-declaration mode. Number 4. To bring more participants, especially NBFCs not registered as NBFC factors, this is getting more NBFCs onto the TREADS platform. An amendment in the Factoring Regulation Act 2011 will be done and steps will be taken to allow NBFCs to directly participate in the TREADS platform. This is supposed to be a significant boost for the capital and the cash-starved MSMEs. Number 3. The Finance Ministry said that the government will create a payment platform for MSMEs to enable filing of bills and payments. This will help eliminate in payment and give a boost to investment in MSMEs. Number 2. For the MSME sector, Rs 350 crore has been allocated for this fiscal under the interest subvention scheme for 2% interest subvention for all GST registered MSMEs. This will be on fresh and incremental loans. And number 1, the lower rate of 25% corporate tax has been extended to companies with annual turnover of up to Rs 400 crore, which earlier stood at a cap of 250 crores.